If it is visible, na Vivek?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So, in last class, we have understand what is the relation and type of the relation. In this class, we have solved some example related to relations. So the first question is this. What is the first question? We have a three relation 1, 2, 3. So which of these are antisymmetric? So first of all, you the what is the definition of antisymmetric? Yes, student. Anyone can give the answer. What is the definition of the antisymmetric? What is the condition when we said that the relation is the antisymmetric? Yes, anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please give the definition. What is the antisymmetric relation?
Ma'am, the relation is
Hmm.
said to be on set A
Yes.
of element A, B, C, and then
Hmm.
if A and B are belong to relation R, then B, A and a relation to R. So
Hmm.
then A is equal to B.
Okay. Then what is the meaning of antisymmetric? In antisymmetric, you just always remember कि if A is equal to B means both the element are symmetric, means both the element are identity. Then we said that it is the antisymmetric relations. So here the R, we have defined the relation R. So first of all tell it is the antisymmetric, yes or not? It is not an anti-Semitic. Why? It is not a. Here we have many reason why. First, 1, 1 is belongs to 1. It is okay. Means A is equal. B both are equal. But here 1, 2 and 2, 1. But here I am writing 1, 2 is belongs to R. 2, 1 is belongs to R. But 1 is not equal to, I'm not given the condition here कि 1 is equal to, so it is not a antisymmetric relation. So when you want to prove कि this relation is antisymmetric or not, so you just give the one condition कि it is not a antisymmetric. So it is I'm writing because 1, 2 is belongs to R and 2, 1 is belongs to R, then but one is not equal to, then it is not anti-Semitic. So in second example is also we said in second it is not anti-Semitic. Why? 1, 1 is belongs to R. Okay, 1, 3 is belongs to R. 3, 1 is belongs to R. But here I'm not writing कि 1 is equal 3. So it is not a anti-symmetric. Same for the relation 3. In relation 3, 1, 1 is belongs to R, but 1, 2 is belongs to R. 2, 1 is belongs to R, but I am not writing here कि 1 is equal to. And also in here we have defined R is not an antisymmetric here because of 1, 2 is belongs to R and 2, is belongs to R, but 1 is not equal to. So it is not an antisymmetric relation. So first example is clear.
मैम ये फोर एलिमेंट ऑफ 4, 1 ये क्यों रिलेशन है?
आई एम ऑल्सो राइटिंग कि मतलब आई एम लिखा ना आई एम ऑल्सो मीन्स अगर आप इतना भी प्रूफ कर देंगे ना व्हेन यू वांट टू प्रूफ कि इट इज द नॉट एंटीसिमेटिक, अगर आपको किसी भी रिलेशन या कोई भी एग्जांपल हो, जब आपको प्रूफ करना यू वांट टू प्रूफ कि इट इज नॉट मतलब आपको नॉट प्रूफ करना, तो आप ओनली वन कंडीशन दे देना इट इज नॉट. तो हियर आई एम राइटिंग आर इज नॉट एंटीसिमेट्रिक. So it is one condition. It is also. I am here writing also. See, 1, 4 is belongs to R. 4, 1 is belongs to R, but 1 is not equal 4. So it is not an antisymmetric relations. So here we see the many relation. Means आप देखेंगे 2, 2 I am taking 2, 1, 1, 4. So it is the example. It is the reason कि it is not an antisymmetric relation. So in question second, if A is the 1, 2, 3, हमारे पास we have a one set A is 1, 2, 3 and R is the relation on set A. We have R is a relation on set A. then find the anti-symmetric relation on a set A. Means what is our aim? Our aim is to, we want to find the anti-symmetric relation. यहाँ पर ये given नहीं है आपको, you have just given एक set A given है, वो set A के through use the set A and find the any relation R. आपको एक R relation find करना. The R should be anti-symmetric relation. Means आपको अपने से फाइंड करना कोई भी रिलेशन, एंड द आर शुड बी क्या होना चाहिए? एंटीसिमेट्रिक रिलेशन होना चाहिए. देन व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ एंटीसिमेट्रिक? एंटीसिमेट्रिक कंडीशन के लिए क्या होता है? इफ ए इज इक्वल बी होना चाहिए, ए इज इक्वल्स टू बी होना चाहिए. सो द एंटीसिमेट्रिक रिलेशन ऑन सेट ए 1 2 3 4 आई हैव, सो विल बी, तो 1 1 2 2 3 3 and 4 4. It is the antisymmetric relation. Yes student, it is clear. ये हमें अपने से बनाना है, ये गिवन नहीं होगा आपको क्वेश्चन में. इट इज नॉट द गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन. इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, कि आपको फाइंड करना. आप यू हैव अ वन सेट आर सॉरी यू हैव अ वन सेट ए. so first of all you just find the a cross a. first of all you just find a cross a Cartesian product. then आपको ये फाइंड करने के बाद क्या करना है? आपको फाइंड व्हाट इज द कंडीशन. एंटीसिमेट्रिक रिलेशन के लिए क्या कंडीशन होता है? यू नो. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन यू जस्ट मेक वन रिलेशन. आपको एक रिलेशन बनाना अपने से कि then the relation should be antisymmetric relation. So here I made 1 1 2 2 3 3 and 4 4. So it is the antisymmetric relation. Yes student, it is clear.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Then question number third. What is the question third? Show that the relation R in the set A is the set, I'm not giving the name, but it is the set A given by R. R क्या है हमारे पास? Set A है. Firstly, I am find the A cross A. A cross A I am find. In A cross A, I have take one subset. It is the R. R is this what? 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3. So I want to prove it's reflexive. ये reflexive है, but it is neither symmetric or nor transitive. So first of all, what is the condition for reflexive? Yes, student. What is the condition for the reflexive?
Ma'am, every element of relation A belong to A.
Yes. Yes. Means what is the condition for the? He means जो भी आपका A का जो element होगा, whatever element is 1, so the set of identity element A comma A, all the A comma all, जितना भी all A comma A is belongs to R. So here what is R? R में हमने देखा 1 1. Now what is the pair? जब when we make the Cartesian product of this, तो क्या बनेगा? 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. So what is the identity element here? 1 1 2 2 and 3 3. So मैंने क्या बताया था आपको डेफिनेशन में रिफ्लेक्सिव में? जो भी ऑल द सिमेट्रिक एलिमेंट उसमें होना चाहिए, इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द रिलेशन. इफ एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट, अगर उसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इट इज गिवन, अगर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा है देन वी आर नॉट फोकस ऑन दिस. एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट पे हमें फोकस नहीं करना है. वी हैव ओनली फोकस कि हमारा जो सिमेट्रिक एलिमेंट, सिमेट्रिक मीन्स identity element is there, not 1 1 2 2 3 3, all the element is there. Yes, it is there. So it is the reflexive. ये reflexive है. हमें क्या, it is reflexive. First is proof. So A is reflexive since 1 1 2 2 and 3 3 lie in the R, is belongs to the relation R. Then if we want to prove but neither symmetric nor transitive, so what is the condition for symmetric? Yes student, what is the condition for symmetric relation? Anyone can? What is the condition for symmetric?
Ma'am, all element belong to identity of A.
No, what is the condition for the symmetric? Symmetric के लिए क्या होता है? If A comma B is belongs to symmetric relation, A comma B is belongs to R, then B comma A, then B comma A should be belongs to R. क्या होता है? If A comma B If belongs to R, then should be B comma A should be belongs to R. So here what is the so here we say that 1 comma 1 is belongs to R. So the opposite of this 1 comma 1 is also belongs to R. 2 comma 2 is belongs to R. So 2 comma 2 is belongs to R. 3 comma is 3 comma that's opposite of this 3 comma 3. So it is also belongs to. Here I am writing 1 comma 2. Then the opposite of 1 comma 2 is क्या होगा इसका opposite? It is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1, yes, 2 1. So 1 comma 2 is belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R. So 2 comma 1, it is not the part of the set. So 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R, so it is not a symmetric relation. Then I want to prove it is transitive or not. So transitive, how can we prove? Transitive के लिए होता है if A comma B is belongs to R, B comma C is belongs to R, then A comma C should be belongs to R. So here I am see that 1 comma 2 is belongs to R, 2 comma 3 is belongs to R, but 1 comma 3 is not belongs to R. So R is not a transitive relation. Yes, student, it is clear what is the transitive relation? Yes, student, you have any doubt related to symmetric and transitive?
No doubt.
Yes, all of you. See, only one student have replied to that. Then other student have any doubts? No. Okay. Then next question is this: the set whether the relation R is defined the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have given one set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The relation. What is the relation here? Relation I have defined in this form: A comma B such that B is equal A plus B. So I want to check it is a reflexive, symmetric or transitive. This relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So here the relation is defining in this form. In what is the form is? Yes, anyone? It is the set. ये set है, ये किस form में define है? This is the set ना, ये one set है. So the type of set is, yes, anyone can. When we representation of set, so it is the type of which type? We have it two types. Yes. So yes, it is a set builder form. So here the value of we have the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 set A है, उसका value given है. तो हमारे पास element A का value है, we can find the element of B. When we put the value of A is 1, then B is 2. So first this A is 1, then B is 2. When I am putting A is 2, A मैंने क्या put किया? I have put A is 2, then B is 3. So second element is this. When I am putting 3, so 3 comma 4, क्योंकि we have plus 1, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6. So it is your relation. It is your relation. So we first of all we find the relation R. R, what is the R? R is the B close to A plus 1. What is R? B close to A plus 1. Then I'm just putting the value of set A. हमारे पास set A value है. So I'm just putting the value of set A. So here, so we have got the relation R. R is the 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4 and 4 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So one by one we have checked it is the reflexive or not. Firstly we check reflexive. So what is the condition for reflexive? I'm writing A comma A is belongs to R, but here 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 4, 5 and 6 comma 6 does not belongs to R. It is not belongs to R. So R is not a reflexive. Yes. What is the condition for reflexive? The condition for reflexive is this: if A comma A is belongs to R, A comma A is belongs to R, but here we see that 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 6 comma 7 is not a part of your relation. इस relation का part नहीं है. Then R is not a reflexive relation. The next question is, it is a symmetric. What is the condition for symmetric? The condition for symmetric is this: A comma B belongs to R implies that B comma A should be belongs to R. Okay, what is the condition? If A comma B belongs to R, then it should be implies that b comma a should be belongs to R. Then what is the, so here we said, see that first 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 is belongs to R. Then the opposite of this 2 comma 1. So here we check 2 comma 1 is not a part of the set. 2 comma 1 is not a part of the this relation set. So it is not a symmetric. In symmetric, what is the condition? First condition is this: a comma b is belongs to R implies that b comma a should be belongs to R. So here you see, check, so 1 comma 2 is belongs to R but 2 comma 1 is not a belongs to R. Then it is not a symmetric. Then third, what is third condition? Third is the transitive. Then what is the definition of transitive? Transitive means a comma b is belongs to R and b comma c is belongs to R implies that a comma c should be belongs to R. A comma c should be belongs to R. So here we see that 1 comma 2 is belongs to R, 2 comma 3 is belongs to R, but 1 comma 3 is not a belongs to R. So R is not a transitive. So it is not a satisfied the condition for the transitive, symmetric and reflexive. So this relation for this set, it is not a reflexive, it is not a symmetric, and it is not a transitive relation. Yes, student, it is clear. Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Any doubt related to
No, ma'am.
reflexive, symmetric, and transitive?
No, ma'am.
No. And this question for you, आपको solve करना है. It is your homework. आप you just assume it is your homework. Okay. So what is this? Give an example of relation. आपको एक example देना है. You just give the example of relation. क्या होना चाहिए विच इज सिमेट्रिक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको इस एग्जाम्पल इसके लिए क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट इज द रिलेशन इज सिमेट्रिक. वो रिलेशन कैसा होना चाहिए? वॉट एवर रिलेशन यू हैव टेक, इट इज अ सिमेट्रिक बट neither reflexive or nor transitive. Means whatever relation you have take, आप जो भी relation लेंगे क्या होना चाहिए? It should be symmetric होना चाहिए but is not neither reflexive or nor a transitive. Yes, in second question what you should do? In this question second, you just take the relation. ऐसा नहीं कि relation you have take same, you just take any set, you take any relation, but the condition is what? कि in first question the whatever relation you have take, it is symmetric but is neither reflexive or nor transitive. In second example, it is a separate question, it's not a part of this. So in this question the relation should be transitive but neither reflexive or not symmetric. In third question, the relation should be reflexive होना चाहिए and it is also symmetric. Reflexive and symmetric but not a transitive. And question fourth, the relation is reflexive and transitive but not a symmetric. In question fifth, the relation should be symmetric and transitive but not a reflexive. So you just assume the set, you just assume the relation. आपको अपने से assume करना relation. Then the what is the condition for this? The condition is this: you have just satisfied first symmetric and transitive होना चाहिए relation whatever you take, but it's not a reflexive. Reflexivity property is not fulfilled by the relation. In this, the relation should be reflexive होना चाहिए, transitive होना चाहिए, but it's not a symmetric. In this question, it is the reflexive and symmetric, but not a transitive. In this question second, it is transitive, but not a reflexive nor a symmetric. In question first, symmetric होना चाहिए, but is not neither reflexive or transitive. Yes, student, the question is clear to you.
Ma'am.
So anyone can try right now. Yeah, all are doing in home. It is considered as a homework. Anyone can try. Give. Chalo, first question we can try to solve here. See, the relation should be symmetric but not a reflexive and transitive. Anyone can give the idea which type of relation is the anyone कि relation symmetric हो जाए but not a reflexive or not neither a reflexive nor a transitive. Anyone can give the example. Anyone? अरे वन बाय वन आप प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सिमेट्रिक, क्या प्रॉपर्टी है सिमेट्रिक का? सिमेट्रिक का वी हैव सीन लास्ट स्लाइड. व्हाट इज सिमेट्रिक? a comma b is belongs to r implies that b comma is should be belongs to r. It is a condition. Suppose I'm writing 1 comma 2. First I'm writing 1 comma 2, then I'm writing second. इसका opposite क्या होगा? 2 comma 1. I'm writing 2 comma 1. तो yes, ये पहले ये बता दीजिए, दिस रिलेशन इज सिमेट्रिक, यस या नो? एनीवन? इट इज द सिमेट्रिक.
Yes, ma'am.
इट इज द सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन. तो फर्स्ट यू चेक इट इज द रिफ्लेक्सिव. ये रिफ्लेक्सिव हो रहा. सपोज आपके पास सेट क्या है? 1 2 and 3. It is your set 1 comma 2 comma 3. It is your set. So it is reflexive. No, it is not a reflexive. Why it is not a reflexive? Because we don't have a symmetric element. Symmetric elements means identity, means it should be 1 1, it should be 2 2. This type of element is not there in this, so it is not a reflexive. And it is transitive. It is transitive, yes or no? No. Why it is not a transitive? It is suppose 1 comma 2 you have, 2 comma 1 you have, but 1 comma 1 is not a part of your set, 2 comma 2 is not a part of your set, so it is not a transitive relation. So yes, first question is solved. It is clear. How can we solve the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, any other? विनय, वासुदेव,
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया ना हम कैसे क्वेश्चन सोल्व करेंगे इसका?
Yes, ma'am.
So anyone can try. Example second. Anyone? Please give the any example. The relation is transitive but not a reflexive and not a symmetric.
Ma'am, 1 2 and 2 3. We take
1 2
2 3.
1 2, then 2
Relation.
3.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So it is the transitive.
And ma'am, 1 3 also.
1 3 also. So
Yes, ma'am.
this is satisfy the property of transitive. What is 1 2 2 3? So 1 comma 3 should be belongs to the set in relation R, so it is satisfied. Second क्या है? Reflexive है. It is not a reflexive. It is symmetric. No, it is not a symmetric. So it is the type of transitive relation. Yes, student, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay ना?
Yes, ma'am.
You just try to solve all three questions. Okay, it is your homework. Yes, student, you have any doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vasudev. And last one is कौन रह जाता है always? Only 3 student is there. What? Where is one other?
Very student.
Okay.
हाँ.
हाँ. समझ में आ गया? What is the relation? How can we solve the question of relation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today I will give the assignment on the relation. So you just check your Google Classroom. Okay na? And in evening I will post the assignment in Google Classroom. So after the evening you just check your assignment. But Vasudev, please submit your first assignment. So can you? Okay. So you start your online test on IMCRP.
Okay, ma'am.